How to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily transfer your TikTok drafts to a new phone. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. First thing first, open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you are logged in. Then to access your drafts, you need to head over to Profile at the bottom right corner. And as you can see here, you'll be able to see your posts, and if you have any drafts, you'll be able to see it here as well. So just tap on it. Now you can tap on the draft that you want to move to a new phone. Select it. Now once you've selected your draft, tap on next. And once you have done that, click on everyone can view this post and change it to only you. What it does is it will make your post private. So click on post like this. And from here, once the post has been posted, head over to profile. And now you'll be able to see the only you post right here on the lock icon. Tap on it. So from here, what you can do is log into another phone on your TikTok and you'll be able to find this right here. And if you want to download it, you can do that as well. Tap on the three lines and tap on save or download. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.